Pleasure can be a principle for change because without it, we don't want to make change. Neuroscience has been telling us for at least one generation that without dopamine, without serotonin, learning doesn't stick. We all have had the experience of studying very hard for an examination and taking it the next day and then forgetting all of the material by the afternoon. Because what we don't want, what doesn't produce pleasure in us, leaves. People who enjoy what they're doing, and studies have been done about workers who enjoy their place of work, work better, enjoy it, are more productive. And pleasure has been vilified in modern thought, at least since Weber named the allergy to pleasure in his book on capitalist culture and the Protestant ethic. He says that in the Protestant ethic, and we're all Protestants, no matter what our religion is. If we're moderns, we think that everything needs to be sacrificed in order to work well. And so he named anhedonic relationships to our families, to our work, as necessary for development. Obviously, this was the case before he named it, but we treat his book as a manual for development, when apparently he wrote it as a warning that we were developing into something inhuman and that we were going to be stuck in an iron cage. So pleasure can drive change because it produces lasting differences in our lives.